Yawning is one of those funny little things we all do, but the science behind it is pretty fascinating. One theory says we yawn to cool down our brains, just like how you open a window when it's hot. When we yawn, we take a deep breath, bringing in fresh air, which can help cool our brain and keep us alert. So, yawning isn't just about being tired, it's actually a way to wake ourselves up. Ever noticed how one yawn can spread through a room? It's thought to be a way for social animals, including us, to bond and communicate. When you see someone yawn, your brain instinctively wants to join in. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more.